Hello, it's Joe from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm very pleased to be showing you around this fantastic, very low miles Ford Fiesta. As you can see, it's on a 2013 plate, has done just 44,000 miles, and has been in a mechanic's family for most of its life, so has been very well maintained. Not only that, it's got a 1.2-litre petrol engine, which means it benefits from a very low insurance group of just 0.7E and very low road tax of just £35 a year. So a fantastic way for some low-cost motoring. In this video, we're going to take a good look around the vehicle, so if you choose to come down to the frankly fantastic Clever Car Collection to test drive this car, you'll know exactly what you're coming to see. Let's take a look. So as mentioned, these Ford Fiestas are one of the most popular cars for very good reason, and especially this one with that very sought after 1.2-litre petrol engine, manual gearbox, ULEZ compliant, and as just mentioned, extremely low tax and low insurance. So very cheap motoring. As said, this has been fantastically looked after, and there really isn't many marks or scratches or anything on it, but we'll take a good look round and I'll point out anything we see on the way. So starting then driver's side on the sort of front quarter here, we've got a little stone chip just in there by the front fog light. But working round the rest of the front bumper there, really nothing else of note. Just been hand polished with the full suite of the Auto Glym products, and as you can see, it's come up fantastically well. Passenger side front headlight, no hazing or anything, in really great condition there. Just on the bonnet again, just a couple of little tiny stone dings there and there, but apart from that, one little one in there and there, but apart from that, good condition. And again, driver's side headlight, really as good as new, really. Driver's side wing, nothing of note. Wheels on this are all really good. All tyres have got great tread left on them, and the alloys really are fantastic for a car of this age. Driver's side, a wing mirror, again, no marks on. No marks on any of the roof. Driver's side door, similar story. And similar as we go back, is that a tiny little stone chip there and a little one just there. And again, driver's side rear wheel there, looking great. Moving around then, a couple of little stone chips on the back bumper there, I think where people load things in and out of the boot. But apart from that, all looking great. Rear windscreen, no problems, and no problems with the roof again there. A quick look inside. Again, plenty, ample space in these Fiestas, you can see. Okay, working our way around then to the passenger side, rear wing, nothing of note. A little mark there, just there. Again, rear wheel and tyre, all great condition. Rear passenger side door, no problems. Again, ISOFIX on both the rear seats, and the upholstery still in really as new condition there. No marks or issues with the interior that we can see at all. Passenger side door, again, same story. Can't see a mark on it. And the same with the wing mirror there. And last but not least, back down to the front, just with the finishing with the passenger side wing there. Again, no marks at all. So inside the vehicle with the engine running, you can see the mileage there as the camera focuses, just shy of 44,000 miles. That's 43748 currently. Nice standard sort of Ford specification there. As you can see, you've got Bluetooth phone connectivity, aux in, CD radio, and obviously all the menu functionality, and air conditioning there as well with the 5-speed manual gearbox. And you've got that USB and aux in there with your 12-volt outlet as well. Multifunctional steering wheel there with the Bluetooth phone controls also. So this vehicle, since coming into us, it will shortly be sent off for preparation. It will go through a full pre-delivery inspection where our independent mechanic will look over the whole of the vehicle and check everything is safe and everything operates. It will be serviced ahead of delivery or handover to its new owner and also come with a fresh 12-month MOT. As mentioned, the previous owner to this vehicle, it's only got 2 registered keepers in the logbook, but that previous owner was in the mechanic's family. So again, this vehicle has been very well looked after. We are able to offer nationwide delivery, and if that's of interest to you, please let us know and we can give you an accurate quote for that. As standard, this vehicle will leave us with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. There is an option to upgrade that warranty if you would like a full 12 months of cover with unlimited mileage with our award-winning partners warranty-wise. And last but not least, if you haven't done so already, please take a moment to check out both our Auto Trader and our Google reviews. We are very proud of the 5-star service we offer every customer here at the Clever Car Collection, and we look forward to giving you exactly the same level of customer service when you come here to test drive this fantastic, very popular white Ford Fiesta. Until next time, goodbye.